Evening everyone, and thanks for watching and tuning in. Qikclix is now officially live and running on the internet. We have worked tirelessly to get this product going. We're not using any investors, it's all from ourselves, small business which we've now generated, and we're getting business. I'm really happy and pleased that people like our product. We're running two at the moment, two colours. There's the original, the Australian nut, which is a limited edition. There's not many of them. And then I've introduced a new colour now. So we've got the Australian nut one, and this is the very first order. Went to a good friend of mine who basically looks after Metal Detecting UK, a brilliant forum on Facebook. And that's his, with his initials stamped in it there, ready for him to wear. And then this is the new colour which we've now just released and gone into. It's ever so slightly darker, and it's a lovely colour, and there it is. This one is it's almost like a dark reddy brown, and this one's got the gunmetal grey studs. Obviously we can still get the brass studs as well, that's not a problem at all. That one there has not been purchased yet. I've just got them made ready for anyone who wants to order them. There is a slight difference in colour, as you can see. That's the lighter coloured one, and this is a slightly darker coloured one. Great products shown on there. Get them personalised and stamped. Easily done. So I want to thank everybody who's tuning in for this, and it's really appreciating it. It shows that people will help small businesses grow. So personal thank you to everybody. Thank you very much. And there's more to come, because I'm going to make some rubber ones for diving or mudlarking or any kind of heavy water use. So there'll be a rubberized version, be exactly the same, but just in rubber rather than the leather, so it'll be completely waterproof. Same price, there won't be any more. And we're now busy packing them up and getting them sent out to the customers. So cheers everybody, thank you very much.